Santa Clara County Fire says their department's data was throttled as they fought the state's largest wildfire in history.
And that made it difficult for them to share vital information and for those at risk to access it.
KPIX 5's Julie Watts on the battle for bandwidth when people need it the most.
Yeah, you know, in this case, the department had reached its monthly data cap, even though they had an unlimited plan. So Verizon throttled or slowed down their data, which they say hindered their ability to fight that fire. Now, throttling is an issue many consumers face, and first responders say that could be dangerous.
Fires, earthquakes, terrorist attacks, the Bay Area is prone to emergencies.
The internet's become a critical way for us to communicate with the public during an emergency.
Which is why Santa Clara County Fire is raising a red flag after Verizon slowed down or throttled firefighters' data speeds while they were fighting the Mendocino Complex fire. But they're even more concerned about Verizon throttling your data when access to evacuation warnings, maps, and social media alerts could mean the difference between life and death.
Our concern would be the public's ability to access the information that we are providing to them via the internet.
Santa Clara County Fire is among 24 local and state agencies suing the FCC in an effort to reinstate net neutrality rules, and they're using their own data throttling as an example. You may remember in December, the FCC repealed Obama-era net neutrality regulations. Critics worried internet providers like Comcast and Verizon would start charging tech giants like Netflix and Google for faster service, while relegating the smaller websites that couldn't afford to pay to the proverbial internet slow lane. Now, emergency responders are arguing net neutrality goes far beyond entertainment to public safety. The FCC commissioner did insist that consumers would be protected even after net neutrality was repealed.
We've empowered the Federal Trade Commission to take targeted action against any bad apple in the internet economy.
Still, it's unclear if throttling during an emergency reaches that threshold.
This lawsuit is essentially the government doing its job.
CNET's Ian Shear points out throttling concerns aren't new.
The police departments and the fire departments are trying to draw attention to Verizon's behavior here, and Verizon already realizes through their statement that they probably didn't make the right call here.
Yesterday, Verizon admitted it shouldn't have throttled the data during an emergency, calling it a, quote, customer support mistake, but adding throttling has nothing to do with net neutrality. Emergency responders disagree.
If the data is throttled on the public's end, their ability to download that information is going to be severely impacted.
Now, Verizon told us in an emergency, consumers will primarily call or text, and Verizon doesn't restrict calls and texts, adding in a true emergency, customers should contact first responders. But first responders note 911 is often overburdened in large-scale emergencies, so people rely on maps and apps to help them evacuate and get critical information, and that requires data. Kristen?